So in the US, what another guy is doing is he's doing the texting and calling, right? So he gets the list, he buys a list of probate leads. We don't have that in Canada, but US, he buys the list of probate leads, puts it into Go High Level. It calls and texts for him. And the AI texting, AI calling, the main thing is they want to find a live body. Okay. So it doesn't matter if the AI sounds horrible or you don't like it, or it's just calling to see if there's a live body there. And the main question is, hey, do you have, did you get this house, inherit this house, right? And if someone talks to the AI, that's a green light that we go on and we call them live, right? Right after that. Okay. So no matter what conversation, like, I get the hell out of here. I hate these calls. That's great. But the ones that are dead, dead calls, no dial tone, those ones you can skip, and that saves your time,
Yeah.
right? And so at least you're going to head into a guy who's a yeller, right? So it prepares you. So the AI texting, AI calling is great, and all of that is built into my Go High Level right now. AI calling, AI texting, okay, and it's just a couple cents per call, which is great.
I got to tell you what I'm having some really good success with, and I
Okay.
started chatting with you about it a long time, was the custom GPTs.
Yes.
I made up, um, Phil's listing expert uh,
Yes.
GPT, and I've sent it out to a few clients. I've changed it a few times. And it sounds like, oh, it's just all automation. No, because it talks to them so kindly and so nicely. And I tell them, like, it's more important for me to list your home because all homes that are listed are missing information. And it's a real joy. So I said, you can answer this link here, one question at a, and I said, ask them one question at a time with a kind response. And it comes back, 4 bedrooms. Oh, that's a great area to have 4 bedrooms in North Vancouver. And it allows them to, and I say, and you can answer with 4-3, and it'll be 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom. Or you can ramble on and on and on. And I've had some people that are real talkers and they've done that. At the end of it, it comes up with a summary. It says, please read the summary now. Is there anything else at all you might like to let people know about your home, or a couple things you might not like to do, or your neighbor? And it comes up and it's so quick for them to go through. Everyone that I've sent it to has sent back and said, wow, you really care about doing the best job of our listing. And I went,
Nice.
of course. And then it instructs them, this doesn't automatically go to Phil. Please
Yeah.
hit copy here, and here's his email, and go through. So I
Yeah.
did that. And I went and did one for buyers. Every
Nice.
question a buyer might ask. And I keep adding that, not just like, do you need parking, but
Yeah.
do you need 1 or 2 parking spots? Please tell me what kind of vehicle you drive, because if it's a condo and you have a big truck, it might not fit. So
Right.
those 2 things that I've just been setting out just in the past month, the response I've got from them has just been phenomenal.
Amazing. Amazing, Phil. Yeah, we're gonna talk about custom GPTs too in our boot camp next year, and then I'm also gonna give you guys my custom GPTs that I use. Cool. Thank you for sharing that. That's a great tool. It's a great tool having the custom GPTs.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Okay. So custom GPTs, you can use it for your clients, buyers, sellers, renters, and you can also use it for your agents that you're training or onboarding for EXP agents here. If you're bringing on an EXP agent, you're like, hey, I have this EXP onboarding custom GPT here. I'll give you the link, give them the link, and it's going to go through the questions that you do for onboarding. Did you set up your Lofty? Did you sign up your Prec? Did you know, choose a sponsor? Kirby can. Did you choose a co-sponsor? Right? Go through everything, right? Did you set up your Rico? It goes through everything. Okay. So you
Hey,
can do
Kirby,
all.
does it ask like what your goals and income goals and things like that are?
Uh, yeah, you could start doing business planning once though.
Back
Yeah.
to your point about the books, Kirby.
Yeah.
If somebody wants to specialize, like you and I specialize in seniors, so
Yes.
through ChatGPT or AI, write about 4 books. If you want to specialize in first-time buyers, if you want to
Yeah.
specialize in sellers, go through AI, write about 4 books on
Yeah.
your niche, and then
Yeah.
start putting them up. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So when you write a book, it gives you authority, right? So I'll tell you guys what one of the books I'm writing, and I'll show you in January, is the review book. So it's a book of reviews. So I'm gonna have the each review on a page, my client reviews, and then we're gonna have the story of each client in there. So we're gonna, give them the book if they're really interested in, seeing our results, right? We'll have everything in the book, the results. They're gonna be like, oh, it's like a little article. Oh, Kirby, thanks for selling for 109% over asking. Blah blah blah. We'll put the review of the client in there. Okay, we'll have ChatGPT write a little story in there too. Okay, so we're gonna have a book of reviews, and then I'm gonna make this massive book of all the homes I've sold or bought. So I'm gonna create a book. I'll use AI to format everything. I'll just upload all the listings in there. AI will format it, and then make a book of all of my past history. So it's could be Kirby Chen and Co. Uh, um, um, all the homes we sold. So we'll plop that onto the coffee table too, right? We'll make it really a really thick one. They can look over it, see the results of all the homes that we sold too. So we're gonna make these little books, give it away.